Here I have Motorola Moto G82, and today I'm going to show you how to connect headphones to this device. Like when I say connect headphones, I mean like connect normal wired headphones. It's called jack 3.5 millimeters, I guess. So to connect them, you just take your Motorola, obviously, and you have jack input here. So you just like put it like this and headphones are connected. You can now enjoy some music. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.